brother and myself, we purchased company about 1983.
We are around 1,000 employees right now.
We sell about 12 million bottles a year.
Approximately 2.5 million of bags yearly.
About 3.5 million is manufactured here.
We have 6 production lines in total.
We are putting a new line, which is the fastest one in the world today.
The government gives as many competitive advantages to investors.
It's a virgin country. Anything that can be done will be successful, I'm sure.
Haïti est une des économies ayant le plus fort taux de croissance dans l'hémisphère occidental. Avec des opportunités d'investissement divers dans les secteurs de production industrielle, agriculture, technologie, textile, boissons, tourisme et infrastructures. L'île des Caraïbes est également un endroit idéal pour apprécier un paradis fascinant grâce à plus de 800 km de plages exquises. Sa position géographique, sa main-d'œuvre qualifiée, son héritage culturel unique et riche et ses accords de libre-échange font d'Haïti une destination unique et de choix. Le Centre de facilitation des investissements, CFI, offre un support aux investisseurs tout au long du processus d'investissement, facilitant une transition sans accroc de la conception à l'incorporation à la production. Des compagnies nationales et internationales couvrant une large gamme de secteurs sont les meilleurs témoignages de tout ce qui peut être produit en Haïti.
Ghana holds a very strong position in the Haitian economy. With our new bottling line, we can produce up to 40,000 bottles per hour.
We are a 100% Haitian company. We manufacture electronic tablets here in Haiti, and we have an actual capacity of 20,000 tablets a year.
A lot of people ask us why still invest in Haiti, and we have to say it's one of the ideal places for someone to invest also. Mwamba exports about 20 countries. He started in March of 1862.
We've been active here in Haiti since 1983, 84. Continuous operation. We right now have about 500 employees working. Our niche of the electronics industry is coil winding.
The Haitian government will give certain fiscal advantages that other neighboring countries might not offer. Today we are in 7 countries. In 2014 we started off with our first export.
You can be productive in Haiti, and there are many different opportunities because there are so many needs. There are very low turnover rates. Safico, it's been here since 1952.
This is a population that is looking for work and they are available, they want to do it. This is a great opportunity in different areas.
We have over 1,000 employees. We have bottler for the Coca-Cola company. We are putting a new line, which is the fastest one in the world today.
Our daily production is around 50 to 60,000 cases a day. It's a good opportunity for other companies to come and invest here.
Quality for the price, basically. It's a big market. We have the capacity to produce at least 10,000 gallons per day. Stability of a 10% growth every year.
100% Haitian coffee made in Haiti. We have some microclimates that produce some of the best coffees in the world.
Haitian products are organic, natural. We've been involved in the coffee trade and production since 1898. We're a 4th generation family-owned company.
The advantage is that you have a unique handcrafting way of doing beading work.
All these products are a luxury product, but inspired by Haitian culture, which can be good for everywhere.
We use the latest technology in the pasta production and the milling process. We're producing our own raw material also. We produce our own semolina. We're growing in the local market, but between 2010 2015, our exporting market is growing about 16%.
Maxima is a modern woodworking company specializing in quality cabinets, countertops, and engineered structural components. Our competitive success is achieved in empowering our employees to be meaningful contributors to the company's vision for advancing innovation and service in Haiti.
We are mostly in the field of cement press style. We are increasing now. Anything that can be done in Haiti will be successful, I'm sure.
Ici, vous êtes dans la plus grande usine de vétiver du monde. Le premier exportateur au monde de vétiver. Le business fait progresser un pays. Business for development.
Made in Haiti.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Made in Haiti.
Made with innovation.
Made with excellence.
Tradition.
Made with pride.
With quality.
Made with passion.
Dedication and passion.
Made with love.
Made in Haiti.
Made in Haiti.
Made in Haiti.
Proudly made in Haiti.
Made with Haitian excellence for the world to enjoy.